everyone, welcome back. The entire world is in lockdown because of COVID-19. Now, what on earth are kids supposed to do at sitting at home? Many people have small confined houses where they cannot play. They do not have terraces, only a small balcony like this. And if they want to play basketball, oh no, the ball went down. And then you're not allowed to go down. So, I just wanted to binge on Netflix and Disney Plus Hotstar, but my parents told me to watch National Geographic. And I ended up watching a series about Mars from National Geographic, in which it is set in the year 2033, in which Elon Musk SpaceX has made an entire foundation called IMSF, in which they are sending astronauts to Mars to build an entire colony there called Olympus Town. And watching that series, I was so interested in it that I did not watch anything except that. And I used my imagination and ended up making this. This, from that point till here where you can see the blue part, it is the Olympus Town. Now, Olympus Town consists of a medical wing, a workshop, greenhouse, residential area, and a nuclear fusion reactor. This scene is taken from season 2. This is a spaceship Vega 3 which landed over here vertically. Mine also lands vertically, I can show you. This part that you see here is actually frozen water. In season 1, Olympus Town finds an underground tunnel made by volcanic eruptions that happened many centuries ago, and they find out that that is actually ice water. This ice water is actually used to power most of Olympus Town. This is how the first and main Mars colony will look like. Now, this young thing that you can see over here is actually a Mars rover. It is just one of my old toy clocks covered with a plastic paper and small wheels down. You can actually use real wheels. I just use these. And this actually moves. I'm planning on making one that is solar powered and will move on its own, no need for me to push. But that is still something I do not know how to make. Maybe I'll learn. So this is Olympus Town. In season 2, we learned that Mars has many minerals that are also there on Earth but are more in quantity in Mars, so people will come here to make a profit. Therefore, another colony is made over here called Lucrum Colony. This here is Lucrum Colony. They want to mine Mars and get its minerals for its benefit. This, what you can see over here, is the mining machine that I made, which they are using. What you see, I made a small pipeline from here. That is from where all the power is running through. Lucrum Colony had a power and water shortage. That's why they made this pipeline all across Olympus Town and Lucrum Colony. They are using this pipeline to transport water and electricity. This is also how Elon Musk and SpaceX think that how the future Mars colonies will look like. They believe that for Mars to be a self-sustaining community, they will have to grow their own plants and have 3D printers to make their own stuff. So what you see, the green box over there is actually the greenhouse. And this box with the white top and colorful strings is actually the workshop, where there are 3D printers and other things from where they can make their own startup. The reason for putting humans on Mars is to make humans a spacefaring species. Because if something happens to planet Earth until an extinction event, we will not go extinct, and because there will still be a colony on Mars. Right now we have the space shuttle, but tomorrow we may have an amazing ship that can land vertically and can be used again and again and can also be made as a living quarters. Thank you all, and please stay home, stay safe, have fun, unleash your creativity. Bye.